Hi parents, this is just a quick video to talk about how to access Worldbook Online. So the links on the document should take you to worldbookonline.com, and for the login ID you're just going to type Marino, and then for the password you're going to put Valley, and you can click remember if you don't want to have to type it in every time, and sign in. Where you're going to go is to the balloon where it says kids. And there's all kinds of games and activities. What I've put in here is just for your child to search for that animal that they're learning about for that day. So the first animal is polar bear. You just click the search button, and the first one right here is polar bear. They'll click on it, and when it comes up, what I like about it is that it will read the article to your child. So right here there's a speaker. When they scroll down, they're just going to click on the speaker, and it will highlight every single word as it reads to them. They can see some pictures of the polar bears. They can see videos of the polar bears. And then on the bottom, there's even more information on it. They don't have to just use it for polar bears, though. If you want it, we're looking for an extra activity for them to do, you can really search anything on here. There's activities, there's a world of animals. You can kind of play around and find some fun things. I hope that helps.